If you've been trying to invest in cryptocurrency but don't know how to, then watch this video till the end as I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners. Without further ado, let's get started. Cryptocurrencies are a type of digital currency. They are not backed by physical assets, such as gold or silver, but instead are backed by the trust that people have in them. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency on the market, and it was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. How to research the cryptocurrency market. Before investing in cryptocurrency, you first need to conduct a research to ensure you are investing in the best crypto assets. The crypto market is a very volatile environment, and it can be difficult to research the market. There are two main approaches that you can take to research the crypto market: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is the process of evaluating the financial, economic, and political factors that influence a crypto asset. This can be done using one of two approaches: fundamental analysis focusing on company fundamentals and/or macroeconomic factors such as GDP growth rates, interest rates, inflation levels, and more. Or fundamental analysis focusing on market fundamentals in terms of supply and demand for a particular asset. Technical analysis, on the other hand, is a discipline of trading that studies the patterns in price and volume, among other things, to decide what trades are worth taking. This is done before trading on an exchange. Technical analysis may be done using any type of chart. Many traders use charts such as candlesticks, bar charts, and line charts. Always buy the coins that you have researched and understand. This way you will not be exposed to risk from coins that you do not understand. Or you diversify your portfolio of coins in order to reduce your risk exposure. Now that you've done your research and decided on a crypto asset to invest in, the next step is to decide which trading platform or exchange to use. There are some simple steps that you can follow to find the best cryptocurrency exchange. The first thing you should do is to figure out what type of crypto asset you want to trade. If you're looking for a quick trade, then it is best to use a platform that offers many different coins. The next thing you should do is find out what types of features the exchange offers. For example, does the exchange offer margin trading? Does the exchange offer stop-loss orders? Does the exchange offer an API? You can also ask what types of coins they have and their market volume. The majority of this data is freely available on platforms such as CoinGecko. You can find the best exchanges based on market volume and other metrics by visiting coinecko.com. Exchanges are the most popular way of buying cryptocurrencies. They are also the most convenient way to trade between different cryptocurrencies. Some of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com, and many more. Now I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to buy your first cryptocurrency with Coinbase. Coinbase is a US-based company that provides a safe, secure, and easy-to-use platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. Here are the steps you can take if you want to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase. 1. You need to sign up with Coinbase first by providing your first and last name, email address, and password. 2. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your identity by uploading a photo ID document, example, driver's license. 3. Next step is to add payment method. There are several options available such as credit card and bank account. 4. Now you can successfully buy any cryptocurrency of your choice using your credit card, bank account, or any payment method available to you. If you intend to keep your cryptocurrency for investment purposes, it is best to send it to a non-custodial wallet such as MetaMask, where you have access to your private keys. Let me show you how you can send your cryptocurrency to your wallet. A little heads up though. Cryptocurrency transactions are not reversible. This means that once you send cryptocurrency to an external wallet address, you won't be able to get them back. As a result, always double-check that you're sending to the correct wallet address. Because one small error and your coins are gone for good. The process of sending cryptocurrency to your wallet is not straightforward. You need to first get the public address of your wallet, then you need to send the cryptocurrency from Coinbase to that address. The following steps will help you in sending cryptocurrency to your wallet from Coinbase. 1. Sign into your account on Coinbase. 2. Click Send/Receive on the top right corner of the page. 3. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send. 4. Enter the correct wallet address of the destination wallet. 5. Enter how much you want to withdraw and click Submit. Now, that's my simple guide on how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners. Click the links in the description to start investing now. Like and subscribe to our channel for more cryptocurrency related videos.